Hey, what's going on? Erik here, Texas Barndominiums. Right now we're going to Barndominium. We did a fireplace installation. Well, we didn't, but if you remember, we had a barn door that leaked the fireplace. So we've been, ever since I've been trying to figure out a way to not let that happen again. So these continuous roofs, because of the nature of the roof design, they're kind of hard to flash. So today we're gonna go out there and see if we can figure out a way to flash it. And I think we're just gonna have to put a sheet from the roof jack all the way to the peak of the building, and see if we can make that work. So, you know, we're always experimenting, trying to make things better than they already are. But anyway, go to the job site and we'll see you when we get there. I'll show you that. Have the roof jack here, and then here's the base, right? Okay. And I'm gonna exaggerate, but let's just say it looks like this, and then the sheet metal is here. Okay, water puddles right here, so it goes in right here. Okay, so if we put a sheet from here and just overlap it and put it to here, what's gonna happen? The water's gonna come here, and then it's gonna go here, and then from here it just goes that way. So we're gonna figure out. Here's the blueprint. What we're doing, Daniel. You got it?
Yep.
That's the blueprint.
You gotta sign it.
Put it in your pocket. The problem that we have here is the way they do this flashing. You know, they put the flashing right on top of the roof, and then they just put some caulk in here, or NP1, and then that's supposed to seal it. Yeah, maybe. That's the part that I don't like. So the right way to do it is for it to have flashing over that seam, something like this. Okay, in order to do that, because of this continuous roof, we can't go to here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the peak, which is about here. And obviously that sheet that I'm showing you is not the right profile. This one is, and that's what we're trying to do right now. We're trying to figure out how far we can go so that when the water hits there, you know, some of it's going to go that way. The rest of it's gonna go here. It's gonna come over the sheet. It lands on top of the roof jack, and then from there runs off. And then we don't ever have any leaks. That's the right way to do it. And again, these continuous roofs are different than conventional construction. That's why we've hired multiple fireplace installers, they all do it the exact same way. So we had to come up with a better way. So there you have it. As you guys know, we had one fireplace leak. We fixed it. We don't have any more leaking, but that was enough to make me nervous to where coming through the roof was something that I was not happy about. We tried coming through the side of the building. That worked, but some of our customers were not happy about the look of it. So this fix, I think it's gonna be the way to go. As you guys saw, there's absolutely no way for that water to come in through the building anymore, through the roof, because of the way it's flashed. So I think we finally figured out the way to do it. It's really a conventional way because of it's a flashing, but because of the continuous roof, we had to go all the way past the peak. But this is gonna finally make me 100% confident that it's not gonna leak. So anyway, this is what it takes. So I hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. We are Texas Barndominium.